you a seller on e-commerce platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, or Amazon? A driver on ride-sharing platforms such as Uber, Grab, or Gojek? An app developer listing apps on Google Play Store or Apple App Store? Or a provider of any other products and services listed online? Then you should be familiar with the 5-star rating system. But do you actually understand the maths behind this system? For example, with these current ratings, can you calculate how many more 5-star ratings you will need to receive to achieve a 4.9 stars average rating? Let the 5 stars calculator help you. Firstly, select your average rating target. In this example, you want to increase your current 4.6 stars average rating to achieve a 4.9 stars. Toggle the scroll bar to 4.9 stars. Secondly, input your current stars ratings in the text boxes. In this example, you currently have 21 5 stars, 3 4 stars, 1 3 stars, 1 2 stars, and 1 1 star. Once done, you will notice that your current total number of ratings and current average ratings will automatically appear below the text boxes, and most importantly, your answer that you have been looking for. You will need an additional 56 new 5-star ratings to achieve a 4.9 stars average rating. Install the 5 stars calculator now, available via Google Play Store. All the best!